external applications. Okay, in external application, some philosophy is there. Okay, philosophy of the nature of local diseases. Okay, yesterday already we have discussed about this philosophy. The individual is sick and not his isolated part. Okay, means only some part or some local part of the body is not diseased. When a person becomes diseased, the whole body from head to toe is diseased. Okay, that's why it is written there is no any things related with local disease. Okay, if anything is happening to any local part of body, it affects the whole from inner soul to our body. Okay, from head to toe also it affects. Okay, then the treatment for local diseases may be directed at the whole and not towards the local part. Okay, means every time when we are giving a treatment to a patient, the treatment should be to his whole body. Okay, not to the just a local part. Okay, this will just make a confusion that local part will be uh, cured. Okay, it is not actually cured, just that local part will be okay and we will feel yeah, the patient is now totally cured. Okay, it is only the homeopathic simillimum that cures. Okay, the homeopathic simillimum part is that can only cure, means drug the symptoms of drug and the symptoms of the patient should match each other, and then only we can tell ki after taking that medicine the patient is cured. Okay, we will see next slide. Use of homeopathic external application is totally inadmissible as they lead to suppression, obscuring the outward reflected picture of the internal essence of the disease and driving the disease manifestation to other part of the body. Okay, means if you are giving only external application and there is no any internal treatment or not giving your patient anything by mouth, then it is a big problem, because that external part uh, what reflected picture is there, that is cleared. Okay, and it will just give a confusion, because that thing will shift to other part of body and it will give a confusion about that actual disease or actual problem of the body. That's why it is written use of unhomeopathically external application is totally inadmissible as they lead to suppression, obscuring the outward reflected picture. Okay, if any problem is inside, there is a outward reflected picture is there. Okay, so that is just vanished of the internal essence of the disease, and then driving the disease manifestation to the other part of the body. Okay, means that it confuses the physician. Then indications for external application. What are the indications for the external application? Fig wort. Okay, normally what we have discussed yesterday in the this Dr. Henneman's writing. Okay, that is in our book. Okay, if they have existed for some time without treatment, have need for their perfect cure, external application of their specific medicine as well as their internal use at the same time. It is given in our footnote 163 of aphorism number 282. If you are giving any medicine externally, then you should also give medicine internally so that their cure should take place. Okay. Then disease deserving topical application may be recent origin and produces by an external lesion. Dynamic diseases like injuries, I told yesterday, injuries, okay, that are the local problems. Burnings, that are the local problem, burns, okay, that requires local dressing, okay, ointment and cleaning, okay, this is right. It just support the treatment part. Okay, when you are giving any medicine internally, okay, you have to give some local things also, so that you can just, you have to clean it, you have to dress it up, okay, and you have to just give some ointment so that that problem can be cured. easily. Okay. Then local applications to suppress the expression of the disease is provided. Okay, means when you are just giving only a local application, then actual treatment is not there. You are just confusing the treatment, and there is subsiding of treatment. But if the use of local application is based upon the physician's principle, it may be considered. Okay, means when there is a local application is there with the principles, Dr. Hahnemann or Organon principle, then it is considered. Okay. Then mother tincture for external use. Okay, what are the things used externally? Okay, the first is the mother tincture. How you can use mother tincture for the external use of your patient. Okay. When a mother tincture is to be used for the purpose of preparing external application, it needs to be undergo a modifications. Okay, what mother tincture we are getting from any pharmaceutical company, or what process is given in our HPI, okay, that is not useful. Just you have to make it slight diluted. Okay, normally except otherwise specified 10% mixture of mother tincture for external application and suitable base is used. Okay, means you have to just use the 10% of mother tincture and suitable external application like vehicle or any type of ointment, liniment that should be used. Okay. Then base for external application. What are the bases for external application? Okay, these slides are visible, na? Hello. You can see these slides, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The following are the vehicles. Okay, okay. The following are the vehicles that are used as a basis for preparing external applications. The choice of these vehicles depends upon the purpose of use and the nature of the application. Okay, we have different types of things which are mixed with the vehicle and made it as an external application. Okay, that depends upon the nature of disease, nature of the patient, and for what purpose you are applying it. Okay, that are just these things are there. Okay, these are distilled these are distilled water or distilled water, alcohol, glycerine, olive oil, almond oil, sesame oil, charmogra oil, coconut oil, sandalwood oil, lavender oil, okay, rosemary oil, paraffin, bee wax, lanolin, spermaceti, prepared lard, isinglass, soap, and starch. Okay, already we have discussed about all these things in our vehicle chapter. Okay. Then liquid preparation. Okay, how will you make a liquid external application? Liquid preparation for external application can be classified as follows. Application on skin. Okay, that are liniments. Okay, that is used. How to prepare liniment, that we will discuss later on. Lotions. How to prepare lotion, that also we will discuss later on. Glycerols, okay, pants, oils, okay, then application in mouth and throat, okay, like for use in your oral cavity. Gargles are there, mouthwash are there, homeopathic mouthwash and gargles are there, okay, that is also used externally. Okay, then application in ear and eyes, okay, like ear drops, eye drops. Okay, first eye drop was ear. Last time we have previously I think we have discussed. Okay, this first eye drop was prepared in SBL company in Rajasthan. Okay, Jaipur, that their pharmaceutical company. Okay, because for preparing ear drop, too much sterilization is needed. Okay, the process for making eye drop is means you have just sterilized the process, and it is just to take all the quality control measures and sterilization measures are required. Okay, then application in nasopharynx, inhalation. Okay, just there are many drugs that is inhaled and it is used for our treatment. Okay, then application into the vagina, urethra, and rectum. Okay, because in our all orifices we can use the medicine for our treatment. Okay, there are many medicines that are used in different orifices of our body. Then semi-solid preparations. Okay, semi-solid preparation for external applications can be classified as follows. Ointment. Okay, about preparation we will see. Okay, Dildocs. Okay, about preparation we will see syrates. Okay, creams and pastes, poultices. Okay, then fermentation, surgical dressings, then plasters. Okay, these are the different preparations which are used externally with the internal treatment. Okay, liniments. Okay, what is liniment and what is its use, how it is prepared. Okay, so first we will go to liniments. Okay, liniments are liquid preparations applied with or without frictions by rubbing, anoining or painting. Nature liniments may be alcoholic solutions or oily solution or emulsions prepared with tincture of soap or olive oil. Okay, means every time you are just using mother tincture with any of these vehicles. Okay, then preparation, how will you prepare the liniments? Liniments are generally prepared by mixing one part of the required drug with 4 parts of olive oil or tincture of soap. Okay, means when you are just mixing your liniments, okay, with the olive oil, okay, then when you are just adding a mother tincture with olive oil, then what you are preparing, okay, that is the liniment. Remember it is olive oil plus your mother tincture. Okay, utility for relief of pain resulting from falling or below. Okay, means just any of mother tincture which is indicated, that is mixed with olive oil, and it can be applied on the your joints or other body parts. As a stimulant, it may be massaged into the skin. Soft liniment is used for sprain and bruises. Okay. Then what is the precautions should be labeled? Okay, we have to discuss it. Okay, actually this practical is also they are related with this. Okay, so we have to label for external use only. Should never be applied to the broken skin or inside of our body. Okay, teared or broken skin, it should not be applied as they are irritating, especially if the solvent is alcohol. Cool storage is necessary since all liniment have volatile ingredients. Okay, means alcohol is there, many volatile ingredients are there, so that's why it should be kept in cool and dry places. Okay, this is the precaution. Shake well before use. Okay, and use for only external use. Okay, it is only for the external use. Then lotions are aqueous solutions. Okay, what is next is the lotion. Okay, liniment we have discussed. Liniment is mother tincture plus olive oil. Okay, now lotions. What is the lotion? Lotions are aqueous solutions, suspension of dispersions for application to the skin surface. If they contain insoluble solids in suspensions, they are sometimes referred to as a sec lotions. Okay. On application, water evaporates, leaving a residue of the medicine on the skin. The evaporation also. Okay, as water is an unstable media for the preservation, aqueous solution have short shelf lives. Okay, then actually it evaporates because this lotion is made with the mother tincture and water. Okay, so sometimes this water evaporates and it just leave the residue. That is the residual part. That is the mother tincture. Okay, that looks different. Okay. Then preparation, how lotion is prepared. Lotion may be prepared by diluting medicines with water in a proportion of 1 to 10 or 100, or by adding 1 part of glycerol with the 4 or 9 parts of the water. Okay, utility used in bruises, pain without bloodshed. Precautions should be labeled for external use only and shake well before use. Okay, for same thing is also done for this. You have to just label it for external use only and shake well before use. Then glycerols. Glycerols are mixture of solution of mother tincture in glycerine. Okay, glycerol will just give a hint. Okay, glycerol means mother tincture plus glycerine. Okay, this this is liniment. Liniment is mother tincture plus oil, olive oil. Then lotion, mother tincture plus